You are welcome to my home.
Thank you.
Babe! Babe!
Yeah.
Oh, you're here. I want you to meet someone. This is Esther, the new help.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening.
That's my sweet husband. Okay, so I'm gonna show you to your room and give you a job description.
Yeah? Okay, ma.
Alright. I'll be right up, babe.
Ma. Yeah, your breakfast, ma.
Esther, thank you. Thank you for always getting everything ready. I appreciate you. I'm so late. I have to run.
No problem, ma.
Okay, I'm not forgetting anything.
No, have a nice day, ma.
Thank you.
Love is not enough. Be careful how you treat the one who loves you.
Come in.
Good morning, sir.
Esther, good morning.
Your iron clothes, sir.
Let me put it over there.
Sir, your shoes are polished and breakfast is ready. Please let me know if you need anything.
No, you've done enough already. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Thanks. Wow, this girl. So smart, she's done everything. Why was I even stressing myself before? This is what I've been missing. How do people leave their house dressing like this? Man, these Lagos girls, they cause problems. Like, look at this one now. Oh, now, wow. Well, I mean, thank God my wife. I got a good-looking woman. Only if she would just, be more available to me, Tara, just be more available to me, please. Not again. Not again. Tara! 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 Tara. Tara, why now? Why?
Babe.
You do this all the time.
Babe. Look, I have so much work to do and
How many minutes? How many seconds? Wouldn't you could just pick these things up and follow yourself with it?
Babe, I'm short on time. Please, I have so much to get done and then I have to sleep because I have to wake up very early before. Babe, please, try and understand.
You're not the only one that lives here. You can't keep leaving things everywhere.
Babe, it's not a big deal.
It's a big deal to me. I don't like it.
Babe, please, you're really cutting back on my time for work. I have so much to get done. Please. Is that why you called me?
Yes. Have you made dinner?
Babe, I said I've been busy working. Even I haven't eaten. I haven't had time to eat. I've just been working. I didn't make anything. Babe, I need to get back to work and then I need to sleep. I have to wake up early tomorrow. Okay?
How many seconds would it just take you to pick this and take it upstairs? Leave the house littered all the time. Like, are you... You know woman that lives here. After everywhere, it's not even fun. Ah, like it. Not even like you're watching the TV. Leave the TV on. Honestly, I don't understand the need for us to work so hard. I make enough money for both of us, so what's the deal? I don't know how long I'm going to keep doing all these chores and doing all these things because if only she'll be more available to me. I mean, present in our marriage. I just really wish. Dinner.
Babe.
How are you? I made dinner.
Oh, thank you.
Let's eat. I thought you were walking just now and falling asleep.
Yeah, and I need to get back to it. So I need to eat quickly and go back.
Walk all the time. You know, you need to, slow down because other areas of your life are suffering.
What are the areas of my life?
Us, our marriage. Are we enjoying it?
Baby, speak for yourself, okay? I'm enjoying this marriage.
Because I'm doing my husband duties, are you doing yours?
Babe, that's not nice, babe. You know I'm at the peak of my career. You know the position I'm gunning for. You're always so understanding, so I don't know what's changed.
It's always about one position or the other. One position, one promotion, something. You need to strike a balance.
Babe, I can't lie. My mind is not even in this conversation. I just want to get back to work. So let's eat a little and then I'll go back to work. Let me feed you.
Don't worry, I'm fine. Good. Eat.
Okay. You know, you cook so much, but you don't eat a lot.
You eat so much, you don't cook anything.
At least I eat the food.
You're going again.
Sorry, I'm sorry. You just need to fix the bug in that program. I can't stop thinking about it.
No one else can do it?
No. Marvin. What now? Stop. I just wanted to cuddle.
I just want to sleep, doing one or two things, you know?
No! Please. I'm too tired. Baby, I just put my laptop down. I'm so tired.
Baby, just always work. I allowed you to work now. This is my moment.
Baby, I just wanted to cuddle, please.
I just want us to make love. Is that too much to ask?
Marvin! Because I asked for cuddle, you're doing all this. No, now.
Babe, come on now. It's been like 2 months.
Marvin, you used to be so understanding. I don't know what's happening with you.
Okay,
You can't hold yourself
I don't want to be
anymore.
understanding anymore. Babe, I'm suffering now. Like, look at me now, babe. Come
Marvin,
on.
I'm tired. Please, I'll leave the room. Oh. I just wanted to cuddle now.
Please don't. You don't need to do. So you don't need to do anything. Just stay there. Just stay, okay? Baby, wait now. Babe, come on now.
Marvin, please. You won't even let me sleep or be poking me in the back.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
Yes.
So what am I supposed to do now?
Go back to sleep. You were even sleeping just now.
Yeah, but he's not sleeping. I guess it's the usual tonight again. Baby. 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 Hello.
Good morning, babe.
Good morning.
I'm so sorry I left without waking you up. I just needed to beat the traffic. My presentation is at 7:30.
It's okay.
Are you still mad at me?
You know I can't stay mad at you, baby.
Oh, thank you, baby. Have a great day. I love you.
I love you.
Love, oh love, is nothing you should play with because it has to do with heart. The heart is gullible, the heart changes. It follows the lane where it finds peace and comfort. Oh, love is nothing you should play with because it has to do with heart. The heart is gullible, the heart changes. It follows the lane where it finds peace and calm.
So, If I didn't drag you out, it would just be all about this, your work. You wouldn't even have time for us to go and eat.
No, that's not it. I have a conference today. After that conference, I have another meeting. My head is... If you didn't come, I really won't go and eat, so I'm serious. But please, now, when we come back, I don't want to forget. On our way back, you drop me at a boutique. I just want to pick some maxi dresses before we come back to the office.
What did you just say?
Maxi dresses. I want to buy some maxi dresses.
When did you start wearing maxi dresses?
Since my husband will not stop touching me because he see me wearing shorts, he cannot help himself. Every night.
What am I hearing?
I'm serious. I keep trying to work. He keeps pressing me for this and that.
Sandra! Are you joking?
I'm serious. I'm serious.
My goodness! Another man's meat is another man's poison. Like, so that's why you want to watch my
I'm telling you, me and this man are always fighting every day.
Oh my God.
Have you seen the time?
Yes, I know.
No, clearly you don't know.
Babe, I know. I had a meeting after the conference. So sorry.
Are you married to me or you married to your job?
But babe, I didn't have a choice. It's work.
What do you mean it's work? Are you not working?
Babe, you're making it sound like I had a choice. I didn't have a choice.
Of course you have a choice.
So
you have a choice.
Should I have walked out of the conference or the meeting?
I don't know. You know I don't have friends. You know I don't have anybody I talk to. You're the only one that I spend my time with. But then you do this all the time. You come late every single time. You leave the house early, you come home late. What am I supposed to be doing?
Babe, I don't know. Maybe you should get friends so you stop being so clingy. Because I have to work.
Oh, I'm clingy now. It's okay.
Wait, no, I didn't mean like that. I didn't mean like that. No.
No,
I didn't mean it like that. I didn't mean it like that. Sorry, I'm sorry. Don't be mad. I'm sorry. Baby, it's work. There was nothing I could do. I'm sorry.
Baby, you can't always wiggle your way out of everything.
I'm sorry.
And I missed you, okay? I missed you. I don't even know what I'm saying.
Nah, don't be mad. I'm sorry.
Just come home early. That's what
I
I'm
won't work
saying.
late anymore. I'll make sure that I'm sorry.
Are we eating?
Sorry. I'll be late. I'll tell them to I'm sorry.
I missed you, okay? Fine, I don't even know what I'm saying, but
I'm sorry.
Tara! Yes!
Have you done it?
I did exactly what you said. Don't worry, now I know exactly how to run it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Wait, let me
Ah,
Oh, you did it well, actually.
it's you, babe.
I told you it was
It's
easy
you.
now. You just keep making it seem like you don't have sense.
Stop it.
Oh my gosh, I'm so tired.
Same here. Can you imagine even me that yesterday when I got back home, I still had to go into my kitchen, cleaned up the entire mess that Greg did.
What?
He went to the club, came back at 12 a.m. Back there. Guess what? Let me bust your bubbles.
What?
He still asked me for 3 rounds.
And you let him?
3 rounds.
Is he not cheating on you?
So, what was I supposed to do?
So you went to work, you came back, you cooked, you cleaned. You still let him climb you for 3 rounds. Are you a machine?
Girl, listen. You just have to do exactly what your husband wants, so he will not complain. Imagine me now, that have to listen to Greg, that cheats.
I listen to Marvin, but I have a career. Like, I have work. I have things to do.
Tara,
What?
Tara, you're lucky. You're lucky to have a man like Marvin. Seriously, a man that is so good to you. He doesn't cheat. He doesn't look at any other girl. He does exactly what you want. Ha!
He's
If
a
I'm
good
you,
guy.
That man, I will do anything he wants. Anything he wants. In fact, I will even exceed his expectations. Seriously.
Nah, I don't have to do too much to prove my love for Marvin. Our love is unconditional. Yeah. And by the way, a man that will cheat will cheat. If you like, do gymnastics, fly from up, down, do full splits.
You're pushing him, you know.
I'm not pushing him.
You are?
No.
I will not say much. At least I've learned a lot today. Thank you very much. If nothing else.
Hi, baby. Welcome back.
Hey, Marvin. I'm good. Welcome.
How are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
Is she joining us for lunch tomorrow?
Yes. She's coming with Greg.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Welcome.
Thanks. How's Greg, by the way?
He's good. Tara. He went straight to the kitchen.
Not the one that will go to club and then come back and then come and be...
What's your problem?
Love,
Let me see what...
oh love, is nothing you should play with because it has
saying
to
things
do
like we need to spend more time together because he doesn't have friends. And to be honest, I don't have time for all that too. I need him to get friends so that I can have time to work. He's really on me.
Tara,
What?
are you joking? This is what every woman wants. To have a husband that wants to cling to them and do everything with them. And here you are detesting it. I don't get you.
Sandra, the man is becoming too clingy. I need to work.
You need to work. My goodness. Tell me you're joking.
No, I'm serious. So
What every woman wants is what you don't want. Girl, if I'm to have someone like Marvin, I will do anything he wants, whenever he wants it, anyhow he wants it. In fact, I will even exceed his expectations. What's your problem?
It's not like I don't want it. I just have to work. I don't have the time. I don't have the time for it. I need you to, I don't know, hook him and Greg up, to be friends. Talk to Greg to be friends with Marvin. Go see football games together, have drinks,
You must
just
be kidding
chill.
me now. Are you joking?
Why?
Greg and Marvin.
Uh-huh.
To do what? Friends.
Uh-huh.
Oh my goodness. Tara, tell me you're joking. How?
Why? What's wrong?
That's not possible. I would never want my husband to be friends with Marvin. That's not possible. Have you not heard the power of association? Do you want Greg to influence Marvin? No way. That cannot work. Seriously.
Sandra,
No
you
way.
realize we're talking about your husband here. It's not some stranger.
Yes. I know him. And they can never make a good companion. Serious. You can't do that. Greg.
Oh my God.
Greg is going to spoil Marvin. Like, he's going to influence Marvin to do exactly
You see, that's
what
why you have it
even start
wrong.
complaining about.
Marvin has a mind of his own. Greg is going to influence him. I just need them to be friends. I need him to be occupied. If he's not occupied, he's going to be so clingy.
That's not making sense to me. Greg is going to disorganize Marvin. He will never be a good husband to you anymore.
Hey.
Hey.
So
Everybody's
you don't
praying
think-
to have
you don't
someone
think-
like Marvin. She's here praying to have someone like Greg.
Instead of you to say, okay, power of association, let Greg
You don't
now
have
be
anything
like
to
Marvin.
say. It's okay. I can find my way home. Bye-bye.
Sure. Let them be friends now, please.
This tastes good, huh? Nice cooking.
Thank you. On my husband's behalf. He's the chef in our home.
What the hell?
What do you mean, what the hell?
I don't understand. What do you mean by what the hell? What?
Babe, what do you mean, what the hell? Oh,
You don't
Is there something wrong with the
I
man
don't
cooking?
even know. Marriage is about helping each other in our weaknesses. What do you think?
Period.
An African man being the chef of the
Oh,
house.
come on. Let's do this after.
That's absurd.
That's
Bro.
archaic.
Do you live under the rock?
Seriously, okay. He never cooks. It's always about me. But sorry, I'm not complaining. I'm used to it.
I live in my own time.
With me.
Yes, with you.
Asian days.
Definitely. Look, let me tell you something. Nowadays, everybody's helping each other. In the kitchen, in the living room, anywhere. Everybody does anything. It's no big deal to it.
Thank you for telling him.
To always help each other out.
Thank you for telling him.
The kitchen is a place for the woman.
Say so.
Says in African culture.
Oh my gosh.
It's not going to change.
This is an ancient man.
It's not gonna change.
It's not going to change.
Am I supposed to be in the kitchen? Like,
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Sometimes,
No,
yeah.
Maybe he doesn't know how to
Me,
cook.
me.
nice speech, guys. Nice speech, guys. For me, that's not for me.
It has to be the woman slaving.
I'm used to it.
What do you do around the house?
Takeouts every day, probably. Because he obviously can't cook.
He never cooks.
No, come on.
He never does anything. It's just me. But I'm not complaining, so let's just forget about this. Let's not even discuss this.
That's what being a man is these days.
Is that what I do?
It's true.
But I can never cook. Kitchen is for the women.
You're wrong.
Whatever.
No, bro.
Let me
Listen, bro.
enjoy the
See?
delicious meal.
Made by my wonderful
Exactly.
husband.
Exactly.
That isn't scared to go in the kitchen and cook for us.
Thank you.
Because it's not a big deal.
Absolutely.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Just to be in the kitchen.
Cheers.
Just to be in the kitchen.
Oh, love.
Can you see?
Oh, I love what you did there.
I know, right?
Wow, Sandy. You
That's
did
it.
so good. I'm so proud of you.
I learned from the best.
You're
Thanks,
such a
babe.
fast learner.
Thank
I
you
love
too.
that. This is so
Thanks.
good. This is so good. I'm impressed.
I think we should go clean up.
Oh no, Marvin already said he would take care of it now. It's fine. What?
The conversation at the dining. Do you think Greg will ever unlearn and relearn?
Greg seems like
I
coconut.
hope he doesn't. I'm talking about Marvin getting influenced.
My baby has a mind of his own, okay? But as for Greg, seems like a coconut head. You'll be cooking and cleaning for a long time.
I don't envy you at all.
I don't envy you either.
But still, let's go and help. These are guys.
No, it's fine. And besides, they're almost done. How many plates we use? My husband has said he'll take care of it. He'll take care of it. You to rest. Because when you get home now, you will go back to cooking and cleaning.
Okay, if you say so. No problem.
And besides, they're almost done.
Guys.
So what did the director say when he saw that one?
Oh my God, he was like, okay, this is on top of the world. Like, seriously.
I love it.
Yeah, you're following our hands.
What are the hours?
Association of African Men. Guys, so simping already.
I'm not simping. What do you mean by I'm simping? Take, come put this one there.
Please, I can't sew my hands in a woman's job.
So how am I simping? By doing the dishes?
All of this, yes. Cleaning, cooking.
Guy, listen to me. I'm a CEO of my own company. I'm sure you know that already.
Yes, I
I
am.
work from home. I have people that do things for me.
Okay.
That's the reason why I can be at home from time to time. And if I'm at home, why can't I do the dishes? What's wrong with doing the dishes?
Everything is wrong.
She goes to work.
And she has turned you into a housewife. No. House husband. Wait, why does she have to work for someone else other than you in the first place?
Because she's an expert. She's an IT expert.
Okay.
And she's trying to build her own career. Why does she have to work for me?
That doesn't give her enough reason to make you do all of this and bro.
Bro. You know what? If you're not going to help me, just leave me alone.
Well, to be honest, I don't envy you. Other men marry and have their wives do the cleaning, cooking, pampering, doing all of these things. But you, even the young guys, even single guys, boyfriend and girlfriend, they enjoy these things. But you, bro, you're in a more pathetic situation, and I don't envy you one bit. I swear.
Just stop. I don't even need you to envy me.
Aye.
Huh? And I don't envy you because, bro, you really don't know what you're saying. You need to help your wife out more.
I help my wife
How?
where necessary. Not cleaning, not cooking, or washing plates.
That's the reason why you're getting fat anyway. Because you don't do anything around the house.
Other men get married and start enjoying their wives, helping them clean, wash, pamper them. Even single guys are enjoying these things, but you, you are in a pathetic situation. And to be honest, I don't envy you one bit.
You don't need to envy me.
Babe,
Yeah?
you shouldn't have said all of that back there. It wasn't fair. You were like kind of discouraging him from being a good husband.
I was just telling the guy the truth. I mean, the guy is the same. That's it.
No! The truth?
Yeah?
He was just trying to be a real man. A man that just wanted to help his wife. There was nothing wrong with that.
Please spare me the bullshit, I beg. I don't want to hear it. What's being a real man in being in the kitchen, cooking, and being house husband? Please.
Oh, really? Okay.
Sandra, please let's not do this. I can imagine myself in the kitchen, cooking, washing, doing all that.
Still awake?
Yeah, I'm almost done.
The boys lost the match, man.
Sorry.
Babe, this guy's Greg guy. I don't want any friendship or relationship with him.
Baby, come on, you need friends. We all do.
You know me already. I just want you and I want to focus on my goals.
Oh, then baby, you're demanding so much time from me that I don't have. Okay? You need friends that you can like watch the game with, go to the gym, just do stuff.
That's not me. What I want is you. I want you, and, family. That's all.
At the detriment of my career. Baby, you started your company early. You started everything early, your career, everything is settled. I'm trying to do the same now.
Just work all the time. Like, look, I do my own duties. I do the right things. I do the chores. I do everything. But then it seems like this love is one-sided.
Now you're doubting my love.
Love is in action. It's not in words.
Baby, love is unconditional. I don't have to prove anything.
So what if I then say that I don't want to do the chores alone anymore? I want us to do it together.
No. No one has to do the chores. I don't like seeing you do chores anyway. We'll get a help. It's very easy. I'll call the agents tomorrow
This
and we'll
is
sort that
what
out.
I don't like.
Oh
This is
my
what I don't like.
gosh.
I don't like anybody in our space. You know this already. Let it just be me, you, and when the kids come. That's all. I don't want anybody in our space.
Baby, you've always known I'm a career woman. It's not like this just came up today. You've always been understanding, so I don't understand why you're trying to change now. Come on.
You know what? I'm just gonna go to bed.
Why must it be something every night?
Like if I try to touch you now, you would even.
I can't have a conversation without you bringing up if you try to touch me. Let's just sleep. Okay?
So now that you've cuddled me, can I just...
Oh my goodness, Marvin. Please, let's just sleep. Please.
Just like that?
Yes.
Okay, what if I am the one spooning you from behind?
No, You won't be spooning, you'll be poking.
Oh my god. So nothing yet?
Baby, just please, I'm tired.
Wow. Here we go again tonight. So it's good night, yeah? Oh, wow.
You are welcome to my home. Thank you. Babe! Babe!
Yeah.
Oh, you're here. I want you to meet someone. This is Esther, the new help.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening.
That's my sweet husband. Okay, so I'm gonna show you to your room and give you a job description.
Yeah? Okay, ma.
Alright. I'll be right up, babe.
Never listen.
I'm just trying to make life easier for everyone.
I'm trying to make life easier for you.
Babe, you don't have to do anything anymore, okay? We can afford the help.
Okay, whatever. Do whatever you want to do. Suit yourself. What is this thing that you're wearing?
My pajamas. Stop. Why you do that? Stop.
Can you go back to the shorts you used to wear?
No, because all you do is ask for sex when I wear shorts. So no, let's go to bed.
So this is the solution?
Yes. At least we won't argue about sex every night if I look like this.
I cannot sleep with you on the bed with this thing that... Are you going to church?
Baby, please, come. Let's sleep, okay? We'll have more peaceful days if I look like this. You don't know how to behave when I wear shorts.
Okay, you know what? You take it off under the duvet, yeah?
Are we about to argue about sex even with this? Baby, just sleep, please.
Oh, man.
Why won't you just cuddle and sleep? Why must it always be battle of... Alright. Just cuddle me, let's sleep. Leave me, it's my sleep clothes.
It's even too long. I can't even... Wow. Just wow. Good night.
I love you, good night.
Are you sure? So should we just maybe like...
Hey, God. I thought you cannot wait today. The traffic yesterday was so crazy. Oh, thank you, Esther.
You're welcome, ma.
This food is so good. I don't think I've ever tasted food this sweet before.
It's really nice, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma.
Send me your measurements, your size, dress size, and shoes to my WhatsApp so I can get you some things, yeah?
Oh, thank you, ma.
You're welcome.
Do you need anything else?
No, this is fine.
Okay.
Thank you. In fact... Just use half mango.
Oh, Tara, please, just spare me. But honestly, I am so glad you finally changed your mind from those maxi dresses that you bought. Those shorts are hot.
They're not for me, they're for Esther. What?
The house help.
Uh-huh.
Tara!
What's the problem?
It's bad that you have that young, beautiful girl as a housemaid. Now, getting her those sexy shorts. Are you kidding me?
Her clothes were worn out, Sandra. Should I have bought her boo-boo as well? She's a young girl now.
You have a husband at home.
Thank you. I'm happy you said husband. Not a hungry dog that will eat everything he sees on the road. Eh, Sandra, you calm down small. Your insecurities all over the place. Eh?
Good luck. You know I will never try with Greg. Never.
How will you try that kind of thing with Greg? How will you try it with Greg? How will you try
I'm
that kind
just
of
going
thing
to have
with Greg?
complete panic attack.
Greg is not the type you would do
Oh
like that.
my goodness. It's okay.
Let me go.
You know your
traffic
girl.
gets crazy.
Yeah. Okay.
Take care.
Yeah. Thanks for the ride.
All right, Mom.
Drive safe, yeah?
Love
How are you? I'm fine.
Thank you. Is my husband back?
Not yet, ma.
Okay. I got you some things, clothes, shoes.
Wow. Thank you so much, ma.
It's
Thank
fine.
you.
I'll definitely do more. You're like a younger sister to me, so you don't need to thank me. Okay?
Thank you, ma.
It's fine. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Babe,
What's up?
so the conference in London has been rescheduled for next month. I just got an email now.
I don't understand. I think you're not traveling this year again.
Well, I guess the organizers changed their mind. That's the email I'm reading now.
So you're gonna have to go. Again. Third time this year.
Baby, the company is insisting I represent. My hands are tied.
What? There's nothing I say that you ever listen to, so suit yourself.
Baby, you should be happy for me.
I'm happy for you.
I need a fake smile when I see one.
I'm supposed to be happy that you're traveling.
There's nothing I can do about it, babe.
I guess so.
Love,
I love you.
oh love, is nothing you should play with because it has to do with heart.
Ma. Yeah, your breakfast, ma.
Esther, thank you. Thank you for always getting everything ready. I appreciate you. I'm so late. I have to run.
No problem, ma.
Okay, I'm not forgetting anything.
No, have a nice day, ma.
Thank you.
Love is not enough. Be careful how you treat the one who loves you.
Come in.
Good morning, sir.
Esther. Good morning.
Your iron clothes, sir.
Let me put it over there.
Sir, your shoes are polished and breakfast is ready. Please let me know if you need anything.
No. You've done enough already. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Thanks. Wow. This girl. So smart. She's done everything. Why was I even stressing myself before? This is what I've been missing. Everywhere looking neat and tidy without me lifting a pin. Feels really good having someone else do the stuffs while I relax. It's a good day to be happy.
my God, Tara, this is for real. You're packing.
Yeah.
Tara, don't go.
Please don't go. Please stay with me.
Tara, you can't do this.
I'll be back before you know it, I promise.
No, you won't be back before I know it.
No, I will though, for real. But please, I need you to make sure that Greg goes to see Marvin once, so he's not too bored.
Tara.
Please.
Tara, I told you never to let Marvin get close to Greg. But as usual, you don't listen.
Sandra, you're so insecure. Like, Marvin is okay. He'll be fine. I trust him.
Are you kidding me? I can't even leave an ugly girl for Greg. Talk more of that young, very beautiful girl. Okay.
I'm telling you,
say
Marvin is going to be fine.
Don't say that. I'm only trying to say you should protect what you have so you don't get caught unawares.
You realize we're talking about a full-grown man. I should protect a fully grown man. Please, he'll be fine, Sandra. I'm serious. There's nothing to worry about. You're making it such a big deal.
Tara, so this is happening. Like you're leaving.
I'm gonna miss you.
Don't go, please.
And all your disturbance for work. But you can always call me, Sham, if you need any help at any point. I hope I'm not forgetting anything.
Well, please forget so you get back.
Okay. Okay. I think we're good.
This is happening.
Love, oh love, is nothing you should play with because it has to do with heart. The heart is gullible, the heart changes. It follows the lane where it finds peace and comfort. Oh, love is nothing you should play with because it has to do with heart. The heart is gullible.
Okay,
The heart
I
changes.
am all set.
Oh, great stuff. How about done as well?
Even though you didn't help.
I'm about to help you now.
I'm done. You're about to help me.
I'm about to help you.
No,
About to help you.
don't, we're not doing that. I'm
No, come on now. You're
tired.
traveling. You're gonna give me like 30 rounds or something.
Stop! I was working before I started packing. You didn't help me pack. Now you want to mount me. No.
Babe, for real though.
No.
Okay, give me one for the road.
I'm tired. I'm too tired, I promise you.
Babe, stop now. For real.
No,
now.
you
See,
stop.
Okay, listen. Listen to me. Lie down. Come. Just lie down like this. Huh? You don't need to do anything.
I'm not doing anything.
Exactly. You don't need to do anything. Just lie down like
No,
this.
why? Is sex the only thing you think about? Let's sleep, please. I'm tired.
Don't you think about it all the time?
What? You are the only one that thinks about it all the time, I promise you. Please get in bed, let's sleep. I'm tired, I've been working, I just got done packing. I have to be up early to go to the airport.
Okay, I'm just gonna try and...
Stop! Marvin, I'm serious, I'm tired. I just want to sleep.
This life, no balance. I really hope you're not gonna be gone for so long.
I won't be. I shouldn't be. Work shouldn't take that long, to be honest.
I just still don't know why you have to go.
I have to work. What do you mean you don't know why I have to go? But I won't be long. I'll miss you.
I miss you more.
And Esther will take very good care of you. Please make sure my husband eats and rests properly, okay?
I will, ma.
I'm leaving him in your hands. Let's go. It's traffic.
Let's go.
Then you have to be super fast.
Yeah. Why didn't you get out of the house early?
I had to look pretty. What are you saying?
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Your bed is dressed and everything is ready.
Okay. Thanks. Thanks
You're
a
welcome,
lot.
sir. Do you want to select your outfit for tomorrow or should I pick it for you?
Just pick it for me. It seems like you make the right decisions. Even my employees are saying I look better these days.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
I'll
Thank you.
just do that now.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thanks. This girl, she sure is a wife material to a very, very lucky future husband.
I can't be feeling sleepy already. I've not even washed the plates Oga used. Let me just sleep a little and continue later.
Esther. 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 Oh. man. Come on, Marvin. No, you can't be thinking like this. You can't be feeling this way. No, you can't. Just go and sleep. Turn off the lights, go and sleep. Tomorrow you're gonna be fine. Okay? Yeah.
I want you to. Sir. Good morning, sir. Sorry I woke you up. I knocked, but you didn't respond. Sir, you need to get ready for work. We might go late.
What's the time? Oh, I overslept.
Yeah,
I sleep early.
I thought as much. Well, your clothes is here and breakfast is ready.
Okay.
We're in the kitchen.
Now I can't seem to get her off my mind. She's so stuck in my head. Damn. If only Tara is around. I mean, if she was around now, I would fight this. I'll fight this lust.
Do it hard. The heart is gullible.
Oh.
Hey.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. Welcome. Sir, you're back early.
Yeah.
Is everything okay?
Everything is fine. I didn't sleep well last night, you know.
Oh.
Plus, it's Friday. I'm the boss. I can do whatever I want, right?
That's true. I'll go serve your lunch, sir.
Thank you. How was your day?
It was good.
You can't do this, Marvin. You can't. Oh my gosh.
Love is nothing you should play with because it has to do with heart.
Can I help?
Oh, sir. No, you don't have to.
Let me help.
No, don't worry yourself, sir.
No, I want to. I'm bored. I don't have anything to do.
You don't want to think about Madam too much, right?
So can I help now?
So it's really not much. I can... Fine. I'll just wash and rinse and you can keep on the rack.
Fine, let's do it.
Okay. Let's go this way.
The heart is gullible. The heart changes. It follows the lane where it finds peace.
So I can really do it.
No. I want to do it.
You insist.
Hello. Man!
Hey, how now? How you doing?
My guy!
What's up?
Alpha, come now. Come, sit down.
Guy, what's up now?
Marvin! I saw the fish you've been enjoying.
What fish? What are you talking about?
Ah, come on. The beautiful, sexy gift your wife gave you to unwrap. What's that one? God, I don't know. I don't know why my wife cannot be this generous with me. It is different, huh?
What are you saying? Are you okay?
What's that? What do you mean, am I okay? Guy, don't tell me you've not been eating that meat.
You're so disgusting. What's your problem?
Are you even a man? What? Well, Sandra knows not to keep this kind of meat with me alone. Before she returns, I don't knock her left, right, center. Put the plate. Go knock her, man.
Are you listening to yourself? You
quadruplate like double twins.
Okay. I told Tara I never wanted this friendship, man. Bro, it's been real. Like, can you go?
Go where? My wife told me that your wife begged her to tell me to come keep you busy. to help you have fun. I mean, let's go to the club. We'll carry some girls. Guy, do like 3 some, you know?
Bro, I'm good. In fact, I have stuff I'm doing upstairs, so can you just please go now?
Can I go?
Yes.
Okay, bro. No bad blood. Paul, one little advice. Guy, don't waste this great opportunity. I'm talking about the fish. Guy, not.
Let me give you one advice as well. Don't ever show your face in my house again.
Come on, stop. Well, I'll leave. But as the Lord leads me, if He orders my feedback, I'll be right here again, visiting my guy. Guy. My dude!
He good. Now I don't even think I can control myself or my feelings anymore. I really am into this girl. But what do I say? What do I ask her? She's a good girl. I don't want to put this guilt on her. Besides, Tara's been so nice to her. She's gonna hate me. Look, man, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I don't know, man. I don't know. How am I gonna go about this?
Love, oh love, is nothing you should play with, because it has to do with heart. The heart is gullible, the heart changes.
Esther.
It follows the lane
Yes,
where
sir.
it finds peace and comfort.
Sir.
You're busy? Are you doing something?
No, sir.
Okay, can you get me a glass of juice or wine or something?
Okay, sir. Sir,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
You said you're not doing anything.
No, sir.
Oh, okay. This show, my wife and I usually watch it. I mean, if you're not doing anything, you can just join me and watch it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Are you gonna sit down there? You can't see the TV properly from there. You can come and sit down, man. No, so that you can see the TV properly. Yeah?
Thank you, sir.
This series, we really like it a lot. Yeah. You want a drink?
No, sir. Thank you.
Love, oh love, is nothing you should play with, because it has to do with heart.
Sir,
Hey.
welcome.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Let me help you.
No, just take this one. I got that for you. Few stuff.
Sir. Oh, thank you so much.
It's fine.
Thank you. Should I get your food or?
No, let me go upstairs first. Let me shower, then I'll come down.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Fine,
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, Esther,
Yes, sir.
what's the problem?
Nothing,
Why
sir.
are you crying?
No, I'm fine, sir.
No, there's a problem. What's the problem? Talk to me. What's it? Esther, talk to me. Did something happen?
Not really, sir.
Tell me.
It's about my father.
What's wrong with him?
He's dead. He was my hero.
my everything. He cared for me. He loved me so much and I couldn't even give him a befitting burial. I miss him so much.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry about that.
I miss him so much.
I understand. I understand. Can I help? You want to give him a befitting burial? I'll give you 2 million naira so that you can give him a befitting burial. Would that be enough?
So, are you joking?
If it's not enough, I can give you.
Oh, so it's more than enough. Thank you so much.
It's fine. It's fine.
Thank you.
It's fine. Don't
Thank
cry.
you so much.
Don't cry. It's okay.
Thank you so much. So bless you.
It's okay.
So thank you. Thank you so much.
It's fine. It's fine. Anything to make you smile again.
Oh, God.
It's fine.
So thank you.
It's fine. It's fine. Don't cry. Okay? He will get a befitting burial.
Love, oh love, is nothing you should play with because it has to do with heart. The heart is gullible, the heart changes. It follows the lane where it finds peace and comfort. Oh, love is nothing you should play with because it has to do with heart. The heart is gullible, the heart changes. It follows the lane where it finds peace and comfort. Love is not enough. Be careful how you treat the one who loves you. Tables turn around. Mind the things you do. The people around you. Love is not enough. Be careful how you treat the one who loves you. Table turn around.
Counting hours or minutes till she's here with me again, so I can hold her in my arms. I think I've fallen for Esther. Am I falling for her, or is it lost? Infatuation? Man, whatever it is, I can't wait to hold her in my arms. This is so wrong. This is so wrong. But I can't help it. I can't.
Good afternoon, sir.
Let me help you.
No, sir, I can.
No, it's fine.
Thank you, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I missed you.
I missed you too, sir.
Marvin. Call me Marvin.
Sir?
Okay, how's the journey?
It was good, sir. Sir, I cannot thank you enough, sir. God bless you, sir. Thank
nothing,
you.
It's nothing. I made lunch. So go freshen up and come and eat. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Marvin, stop.
Love, oh love, is nothing you should play with because it has to do with heart. The heart is gullible.
I can't wait anymore. Something has to happen tonight. I'm just gonna go crazy.
The heart changes. It follows the lane where it finds peace and comfort. Oh, love.
Sir?
Yeah?
Please, I would like to call Madam to tell her about the money you gave me for my father's burial.
No. No. You see, the thing about me is when I do good, I don't need anybody to know. Especially her. She's on a business trip. She won't like to be disturbed. You understand?
That's true.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
You care to join me for a drink?
Sir, I'm a light drinker, sir.
Just a little. And besides, I'm bored. I don't like to drink alone.
Okay, sir. I'll get a glass then.
Okay. Actually how they do it in those wine tasting things. Actually, before you drink, I want to ask you a question, if that's okay. So there's this burning desire in me. It's been consuming me. I've fallen for you, Esther.
Sir?
Been trying to hide it for the longest time. I can't hide it anymore. Thinking about you all the time. And I want to kiss you. No, of course I don't expect you to have a reaction or anything. I'm just expressing how I feel. It's something that has been eating me on the inside for a long time. I really want to kiss you. You don't have to say yes. But if you say yes, I really would love to kiss you.
Love, oh love, is nothing you It follows the lane where it finds peace and comfort. Oh, love is nothing you should play with, because it has to do with heart. The heart is gullible.
This is the best sex I've had all my life.
It felt good too, though it was painful at first.
Because it's your first time. Thank you for giving me this.
Actually, I felt something too. Before I traveled, I tried to resist you, but I couldn't.
I couldn't resist you either.
Sir.
What?
Madam, I feel bad. I feel like I've betrayed her trust.
This isn't even about trust. She doesn't give a damn if this happened. All she thinks about is her job. She won't mind.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'm sure.
international girl.
Sandy, baby!
My girl! I came to collect my chocolate. Oh my goodness! Welcome, girl. Everybody missed you.
I missed everyone. I missed the office.
For me?
Yes, now.
Oh my goodness,
There's
Tara.
more coming.
All this for me?
Yes, no. You're my babe now.
Thank you, Tara. Thank you. Thank you so much. I miss you. In fact, everyone at the office miss you, especially me.
See.
Do you know all the work I have is there, lying around because I'm like, where's my brain?
I'm back.
Oh my goodness.
Oh gosh.
Thank you so much. All this for me.
I missed you guys.
Where's
I
your
missed the
husband?
office.
He's not back. I saw him with your maid.
Oh
You know,
yeah?
they were even laughing. They were laughing like, I'm like, is this not supposed to be your husband and your maid? Why were they laughing like that?
What's wrong with them laughing? Because she's a maid. She can't laugh.
Tara, the way they were laughing, that's not
Sandra,
like...
she's a human being. It's not a big deal, okay?
Okay. If you say so. Let me even check out what's my girl.
Let me bring something for you to drink.
Tara.
Do you want juice or water?
Anyone. In fact, this one is enough. Tara.
I know you had a nice time, right? It was a good one, I know.
Got you! Give me a hug. Are you that surprised?
Yeah.
Hi, baby. How are you? Esther, you're looking so sweet. Oh, my husband has been taking good care of you. Oh, you're looking so fresh. I love it.
Thank you.
I got you so many things. When I unpack, I'll give them to you.
Okay, ma. Thank you. I will just prepare something for you, ma.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Missed you too, yeah.
Oh, you definitely didn't show it. You didn't call.
You know, the other times you say I'm clingy and now I'm just trying to not be too clingy. You get what I mean? Compensate for you.
it. You barely called me.
What do women really want? Because when I ignore, you complain. If I don't ignore, you complain.
Balance. We want balance.
Ah, I see.
Let's go to the room, baby. Let me show you all the things I got for you.
Oh, that's what you want to show me?
Yes!
Okay. Oh, let's go. Oh, wow.
Now it has dawned on me that I've been messing around with someone's husband. Someone who has been very nice to me. She treats me like a younger sister. I never imagined I could be this bad. God, forgive me, please. Help me kill this feeling that I have developed for him.
Hey. Are you okay?
What are we going to do?
I think we'll just, we have to...
Are you okay? You've been acting weird.
I'm good. I'm alright.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to... So do you want to...
Nah.
Stop playing.
For real though. I'm good.
Wow. That's a first.
Yeah.
I thought you'd be jumping around me by now. I've been away for so long. And you're just like...
I'm just, I feel like You'd be jet lagged or something, yeah.
I'm actually glad you said no because I'm so tired. I just want to sleep.
I know.
I thought you were making faces because that's what you wanted, but since you're okay, let's sleep.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can't wait to get to work tomorrow. I have so many things to teach the new workers.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, baby. Your baby's a genius.
So I came as fast as I could. Are you okay? What's going on? Two ticks. You're pregnant. Don't. Easy. Come. Close. You're going to be alright. Okay?
I can't. I can't keep this baby. It will hurt another woman. A good woman.
Listen to me. You don't want to hurt a good woman, but you want to kill your child. Your first child. Our child. Is it the child's fault that we made a mistake? The child doesn't have any role in this.
I don't know what to do. What do I do?
Come here. I'm going to find a way to tell her.
No. Please don't do it. It will kill her, please. She doesn't deserve this, please.
Yes. She doesn't deserve this, right? But then, if she didn't neglect me, I won't have fallen out of love with her and fallen in love with you.
It was just a mistake. A single mistake. No one is perfect. Yes. Who are we to punish her for this mistake? We make mistakes too.
Look at you. Defending her. You're a good woman.
If the tables were turned, she would defend me too. Titara is a good woman.
Come here.
I betrayed a good woman.
It's okay. I'm going to find a way to tell her. And we're going to be fine. Okay?
I don't want to hurt her.
It's okay. It's okay.
I actually miss London. Oh my gosh. I actually miss London so much. Oh. Are you okay? Marvin, what's wrong? Is everything okay? Talk now. What's happening? Marvin, are you going to speak today?
Esther.
What happened to Esther? Marvin, what is it now?
Esther is pregnant.
Esther is pregnant. Since when? How is she having sex and getting pregnant in my house? She can't stay here, oh Marvin. She has to go. She's not going to stay in this house for any pregnancy. I'm not going to accept it. What kind of rubbish is that? Did I bring her here to come and be having sex and be getting pregnant?
Esther she's...
Esther!
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. She's pregnant for me.
What kind of rubbish are you saying, Marvin? What are you saying?
She's pregnant for me.
She's pregnant? This is a joke, right? What did you just say?
I'm the father.
You're the father of what? Eh? Esther, you're pregnant for my husband.
Please.
You've been stuck with him! Why I was away?
Okay.
Marvin!
Explain.
Marvin, what did I ever do to you?
I can explain.
You can't do that! What can you explain? You're sleeping with him! What did I do to deserve this, Marvin?
Please.
Marvin, what did I do to deserve this? Talk to me!
Sorry, please forgive me.
I want her out of this house.
She's having my baby.
I want her out of this house. You're sleeping with the help. You're sleeping with Esther. Are you crazy?
I got carried away.
What carried you away?
I was lacking emotions. I had no care, no love, nothing. I can explain.
Marvin, what did I ever do to deserve this?
Please.
Tara. Go. It's okay. Don't cry. Seriously, don't cry. The mistake is made. So let's stop dwelling in the past. Let's just find a solution, okay? Come on. I understand how you feel, but you still love him, right?
I do, but it's too late, Sandra. She's pregnant. What am I supposed to do?
I know. The bottom line is you still love him. And he was once in love with you. So now that probably he's in love with her, he actually fell out of love with you. He can actually fall out of love with her as well. Don't you think so?
She's carried a baby. We don't have anything.
Come on. Men fall out of love with women that have had kids. Talk more of someone that's just pregnant. That's not a criteria.
So what are you saying?
Marvin is a good guy. Seriously, his type is rare. Tara, go back to your home. Go back to your house. Go back to your marriage. Make it work. It's clear now that she was available while you were unavailable. Go back to your home. Do those things that you feel that she does. Do house chores, taking care of him. Do them. Let's see if he will choose her over you. That's it. Okay? Take my word. You know I won't disappoint you.
Love, oh love,
Okay.
is nothing you should play with because it has to do with heart. The heart is gullible, the heart changes. It follows the lane where it finds peace and comfort. Oh, love is nothing you should play with because it has to do with heart. The heart is gullible. The heart changes.
Has she picked? You shouldn't have allowed her leave the house.
Do you think I didn't try? I said all manner of things up there. She wouldn't listen to me. She just stormed out of the house.
So it's not safe out there. Please, you have to find her. Please.
Where am I going to go? I've called her friend. No response. Nothing.
have I done? What have I done?
Love, oh love, is nothing you should play with because it has to do with heart. The heart is gullible, the heart changes. It follows the lane where it finds peace and comfort.
Baby,
Oh, love.
baby, baby, please, 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 I am sorry. I'm sorry, baby, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I've done the most unpardonable thing and deeply sorry. I don't know how to come back from this. But I cannot lose you. I can't afford to lose you, babe. I'm very sorry, babe, please. Baby, please, I am sorry. I need you to forgive me, please. Please, baby, please.
I feel like I enabled you to go do that, so I'm sorry too.
Sorry.
And then I'm going to quit my job
Oh no.
and just spend more time with you because I wasn't giving you all the love and the attention you deserve, and that's why you went and did that. And I'm sorry, like I wish I could do better. I was just oblivious to the whole thing because I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Baby, I'm the one that is sorry. So sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I'm so happy you're back. I was so scared.
Love, oh love.
Thank you. I want to ask you a question.
What's that?
Esther. What are we gonna do about this?
There's nothing you can do at this point. I mean, she's having your baby. We can't send her away.
It's nothing you should play with because it has to do with heart. The heart is gullible, the heart changes. It follows the lane where it finds peace and comfort. Oh, love.
I can help you, Ma.
I don't need your help.
I know that I have wronged you, Ma. Please, I'm sorry.
You should have thought about that before sleeping with my husband and getting pregnant for my husband.
I'm sorry, Ma.
Please leave my kitchen. Please leave my kitchen. You're making me uncomfortable.
surprised. You're the one in the kitchen.
It's my kitchen. I'll be doing the cooking henceforth.
Don't you think it's a bit too late for this?
It's never too late to make things right. Hey, Marvin, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for not giving you all the love and attention you deserve. Please forgive me. Can I feed you?
I can eat myself.
Okay. Your food is in the flask.
Thank you, Ma.
Are you okay?
She's fine. Eat your food.
Esther, what have you done? What have you done?
Aren't you going to eat?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
I just want to watch you eat.
Should I feed you? Hey, what's up? Hey. Chad,
What?
what's going on?
I'm kissing you.
I am watching TV.
So I should leave you alone?
Don't you need to sleep?
No, I don't want to sleep.
Why?
Because
Chad, wait. I want to watch TV, really.
Love, oh love, is nothing you should play with because it has to do with heart. The heart is gullible, the heart changes.
I thought you wanted to sleep.
It follows the lane where it finds peace and comfort.
Okay, you're making this weird. Like, should I go downstairs and watch TV?
I'm just watching TV. What did I do?
No, I'm just...
Oh, love is nothing you should play with because it has to do with heart. The heart is gullible, the heart changes.
Good night.
It follows the lane where it finds peace and comfort. Love is not enough. Be careful how you treat the one who loves you. Tables turn around. Mind the things you do with the people around you. Love is not enough. Be careful how you treat the one who loves you. Table turn around. Mind the things you do with.
do you need anything else?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
I'll be right back.
Love, oh love, to do it hard. The heart is gullible. The heart changes. It follows the lane where it finds peace and comfort. Oh, love is nothing you should play with because
Breakfast is ready.
Okay, thanks.
the heart is gullible. The heart changes. It follows the lane where it finds peace and comfort. Love is not enough. Be careful how you treat the one who loves you. Tables turn around. Mind the things you do. The people around you. Love is not enough. Be careful how you treat the one who loves you.
I'm sorry.
Table turn around.
Please, Ma. Please. Please forgive me. I am deeply sorry, Ma.
Why did you do it, Esther? Why? I have been nothing but nice to you.
Yes. And I'm sorry. I got carried away. I got carried away by the nice things Oga did for me. But no one has shown me such kindness before, and I got carried away. He gave me money to bury my father, and I fell. Oh, I'm sorry. I am so sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Do you love him?
He's your husband. That's what matters. The Bible says, what God has joined together, let no man put asunder. The man intruder here. I shouldn't have accepted him in the first place. He only came to me because he felt neglected. Sorry, please.
So what's going to happen to the baby?
Love, oh love, is nothing you should play with because it has to do it hard. The heart is gullible. The heart changes. It follows the lane where it finds peace and comfort. Oh, love is nothing you should play with.
I would like to leave. I shouldn't be here. I've caused enough damage in your home already. As for the baby, whatever decision you decide to take, I'm okay with it.
Esther, my wife and I, we discussed already. And what we did was wrong. It shouldn't have happened. But the deed has been done already. And there's a child involved. So we've reached the conclusion that we'll take care of the child. we would cater for the child. We would bear all the responsibilities. And by extension, take care of you. My wife, she's forgiving us, for what we did. We can only wish you the best. So happy that you've reached this conclusion to go as well. We wish you well.
Thank you, sir. I'm really sorry once again, ma. And thank you for forgiving me.
Love, oh love, is nothing you should play with, because it has to do with heart. The heart is gullible, the heart changes. It follows the lane where it finds peace and comfort. Oh, love is nothing you should play with, because it has to do with heart. The heart is gullible, the heart changes. It follows the lane where it finds peace and comfort. Love is not enough. Be careful how you treat the one who loves you. Tables turn around. Mind the things you do with the people around you. Love is not enough. Be careful how you treat the one who loves you. Table turn around.